Ooh, what is going on? This is our router app. Router framework. Built in Python. Router framework. Prototype. But working. Proof of concept. Proof that it works. Very simple version. You just connect and then you're on the internet. Simple. That's the basic framework. It's meant to be improved, upgraded, developed, and it's also hardware ready. Pause the video and copy the code. This is a Python project you can do for beginners and advanced. That's the code. Router app. See if it works. Pause and read all the benefits. Now it's time for those proofs. Here it is. Cool. That's it, guys. This program was made with our molecular physics theory in mind, under the hood, built with our theory under the hood. It's a shrunken program. Very small. I'm not even sure if it's considered small. It's just that, it's just so weird. You could just say it's small though, very compact. Yeah, it might be small, guys. It's actually small. Very compact, lightweight, and high speed. Very efficient. Anyway, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, our router app. like the routers that you use to connect to the internet with Wi-Fi and stuff. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.